Hello, hi everyone. Good evening. Today we will talk about test of significance for sample correlation coefficient. What is mean by why we are testing the significant test for the sample correlation coefficient? To decide whether the sample correlations coefficient value is enough to give the strong evidence about the population correlation coefficient. In this test, we will be using the t-test. That is that we know that notation, the sample correlation coefficient notation small r is the observed correlation coefficient in the sample of n pairs of observations from a bivariate number populations. This test of significance for sample correlation coefficient concept introduced by Professor Fisher proved that the under the null hypothesis is not rho equal to 0. That means the population correlation coefficient is 0. Otherwise, the alternative hypothesis H1 rho not equal to 0. That is, the population correlation coefficient is not equal to 0. That means the sample correlation coefficient is giving the evidence about the population correlation coefficient. And then we have to use t-test or the student t-test for test statistics value p equal to r divided by square root of 1 minus r squared into root of n minus 2. This test statistics follows student t-distribution with n minus 2 degrees of freedom. After finding the t-test statistics, we have to refer student distributions in table value, and then we have to compare this test statistics value with the t distributions table value. If the t test value is greater than the t distributions table value, we reject H naught at any level of significance. And we have to conclude that a rho not equal to 0. That means R is significant of correlations in the populations. And then another way, if the test statistics is less than the our student t distributions table value, we accept our null hypothesis. That means the population correlation coefficient is 0. And then if t considered to be non-significant, the H naught is similar. H naught may be accepted, and we conclude that variables may be regarded as uncorrelated in the populations. Thank you. Next video, we will discuss about the test of significance of the partial correlation coefficients. Thank you.